Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Subrata Sarker. I'm a mechanical engineer working in manufacturing industry more than 22 years. Today we'll be discussing one of the most important topic, this artist. 2050, what I'm going to say is basically the global warming. We'll be discussing the effects of global warming in Earth, say in next 50 years. And you'll find that there is always there's a temperature profile if we discuss. So you'll see that in 2050, from 2000 to 2050, how the temperature like increasing, the area you'll say the red area is increasing temperature. So everywhere there's a temperature increasement going on, and there is if you say this surface temperature profile of the Earth, so different areas reported by NASA, reported by NCDC. So you'll find that everywhere there is a temperature 1 degree in last 30 degree, 30 years actually, 1 degree centigrade on an average. Some areas it is 2 degree, 3 degree, some areas 7.5 degree like that. And also you'll find that there is a change in the change pattern of the global temperature. You'll find that by this grid mark, you'll find that the temperature changes increasing day by day. And also you'll find that the top mountains, these ices are melting like anything actually. So there is effects is going day by day is very dangerous actually. It's going towards the directions. And other changes like the Arctic Sea ice content in the Arctic Sea, that is also decreasing like anything. You'll find that there is on a curve like this, how the ice content in the Arctic Sea is decreasing. So it will give a long-term result in the coming days. And also there is a solar variability, technically called, that is a relative sunspots. Number of sunspots is finding to satellite on the sun. So there is the solar constant is there is a what I mean to say, it's not getting it's not now as perfectly constant. So there is a lot of variation in the nature of the solar output is also finding by the satellite. And also there is atmospheric gases in the different countries. If you check that there are a lot of effects is coming. For example, these multi-average atmospheric this carbon dioxide observed in Hawaii deep actually is island is getting increased like anything from this these projections of the graphical presentation. You can see similarly methane gas is increasing very bad way in California also. So you'll find, what I mean to say is, you'll find a lot of gases which are not desired to the atmospheric for human environment. So that is increasing day by day in the different countries, different areas, and the greenhouse effects is also already there. You all know that. And there's a land covered by the forest is decreasing significantly by this industrialization, by there's a lot of this building, etc. So day by day, and also this glacial is also decreasing. You'll find this glacial profile map. You'll find that the glacier is also decreasing like anything. And day by day we are getting what I mean to say, like when we are getting reached and supported by the automation and technology, so we are in a requirement of the high amount of the energy consumption. For example, say 20 years back, say total power consumption in your home, say it is a 3 kilowatt, and now you need 5 kilowatt, because every day we are increasing our gadgets like air conditioners, big TVs, and a lot of other things. Even in the cars, you'll say that like 50 years back, now today a lot of the safety feature, a lot of automation, a lot of automatic things are integrated with all the equipments we are using. So day by day, even in the factories or the industries, also a lot of automation, a lot of systems, things are added day by day. So finally, this increased energy demand is a factor actually. So day by day, for the same things to operate, the demand of energy is getting increased. So these will obviously, they indirectly raise the temperature of the this is the earth surfaces, which is very dangerous for the future days. So you see this, this last 1 year from this graphical presentation, you can say last 100 years, say from 2000. This is a graphical presentation for 2000 to 2100,000, 2000 to 2100. That is 100 years. Here you can see the average temperature increasement projection in last 100 years is 6 degrees centigrade. So in some places it is 10 degrees centigrade temperature has increased, some places it's 2 degree, 3 degree. So next 100 years, so maybe another 15 degree temperature. So where will be reaching the earth actually? Say today some places normal temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. So by 50 years it will be 46. Next 50 years it will be 52. So some time will come when some places temperature will be 60 degree, some places some temperature will be 70 degree. So we will not be able to find the existence of the human actually at the time. So it is very dangerous for us, the effect of global warming, and what we can do actually. We need to do actually. There are a lot of forestation. Small thing can give the big result actually, and the awareness of the global this warming is very much important, and it should not be limited to the awareness. We need to do actually. This time has come. We need to do something for that to effect or to resist this the negative effects of the global warming actually. Maybe in 100 after 100 years you will not be able to see this polar bear like all this. So things will be extinct, and maybe in after 200 years, 300 years, when the temperature, normal temperature of the earth will be say 70 degree, 65 degrees. So how can you imagine the existence of the human being? So this is a very danger concern, and which needs to be taken care of today actually. Thank you very much for your attention and time.